cicadas. A summer evening in the town I called home. Now I don't need to know what that means. That's a story I've already heard before. Just to find a life's worth of anger thrown across the counter. And as I stared, I could only say I could never forget, let alone forgive anyone. And I remember standing in a cornfield, asking how I could hate a place so beautiful. And as I left, I could only say I'm too tired to love, tired to keep holding on. For now, today I'm biked out to the pier. The cicadas still singing their song. Now I don't care what I've left behind, 'cause as the trees fly by, I can only try my best to move on, move on, move on,
He wants you to come back, for he left the 99 just for the one. Who's that one that's searching, that's looking, that's trying to find something greater than themselves, that's been dealing with anxiety and depression even after the club, drinking and having fun, and then the next morning still feel empty?